Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Leche Flan using bread. Begin by tearing day-old white bread into small pieces and soaking in warm milk until softened. Then whisk in eggs and condensed milk until smooth. Strain to remove lumps. Pour into caramel-lined molds. Cover and steam or bake in a water bath gently until just set. Chill fully before unmolding so slices hold together and remain silky. Gather your ingredients up front to streamline the process. Torn white bread, warm milk, eggs, a can of sweetened condensed milk, vanilla, and sugar for caramel. Prepare a shallow mold or individual ramekins and a roasting pan for the water bath. Make the caramel first so it cools slightly while you blend the custard. Having everything measured keeps steaming or baking time consistent and prevents overcooking of the flan. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle. It seals tight, fits cup holders, and makes kitchen cleanup easier when you spill a little caramel, perfect for clumsy bakers who love dessert. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Keep technique simple and focused. Soften the bread in warm milk briefly to absorb liquids without turning mushy, then fully incorporate eggs and condensed milk while avoiding excessive air. Strain the mixture to remove bits of crust for an ultra-smooth finish. Use a water bath and low heat for even cooking and a creamy set. Cool completely, then chill to firm up so slices release cleanly when inverted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.